I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this equation, which is the square root of 3x minus 7 plus the square root of 2x minus 1, all equaling 0. So how would we solve this? Well, let's subtract 2x minus 1 to get a copy on the 0 side. So let's subtract. So 0 minus 2, the square root of 2x minus 1, that's just going to be negative 2x minus 1, and this is just going to be 0, so this is what you should end up with. Let's square both sides. So this should equal to, this has to equal, this should equal to, so that's that. So we can get rid of the, okay, so this is what it should equal to. So now let's subtract, you know what, let me write it up here again. So I wrote it back up here, so this should be, now let's subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 1 minus 2x again should equal, and we got rid of that negative sign when we squared it, right? So 3x minus 2x is 1x, and 2x minus 2x is 0, so it's 1x plus 7 equals negative 1. Let's add 7 to both sides. Oh wait, what? And you don't even need this 1x, so let me just erase that. Okay, so 7 plus x is equal to negative 1. Now let's subtract 7 from both sides. No, add 7 because this is a negative 7. Then, so add 7. So negative 1 plus 7 is 6. And negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So x equals 6. Now, since we did a bunch of negative things up here, we better check it. So let's get rid of the x part because we already figured out x was equal to 6. So now it's the square root of 3 times 6 minus 7 plus the square root of 2 times 6 minus 1 equals 0. So let's solve for this. So let's solve for this. So 3 times 6 minus 7, so 3 times 6 is 18 minus 7 is the square root of 11. Square root of 11 plus 2 times 6 is 2 times 6 is 12, minus 1 is 11, so the square root of 11. And clearly, square root of 11 plus the square root of 11 does not equal 0. So the problem of 3 times 6 minus 7, no, the square root of 3 times 6 minus 7 plus the square root of 2 times 6 minus 1 has no answer. So in other words, the square root of 2 times the square root of 11 does not equal 0. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video or visit me at howtodostuffwithethan.com, and see you next time. Bye.